Sudan, there's a man who did the unthinkable. He rescued 11 lions from death. Lions, not cute house cats, but real scary lions. Who is he? How did he save the lions? And how many times did the lions attack him? In the remote country of Sudan in Africa, I found Osman.
Hi, I'm Osman and I love lions.
One day, Osman was visiting a park with his son where he saw something horrible. Tens of lions who were so hungry, so weak, they were literally just skin on bones. These kings of the jungles were lying on the ground, waiting to die.
I couldn't believe what I saw. Why is no one feeding the lions?
Turns out that because of the economic crisis in Sudan, the park did not have any money left to feed the animals. And so the lions were the first to go hungry and the first to die.
When I first saw the lions, it just made me so angry and so upset. I thought to myself that I have to do something. Something really needs to be done and done fast because it's completely unacceptable.
So when Osman offered the park his own money to buy them food, he was still turned away because he did not have permission to help. This was the definition of bureaucracy.
I told them these lions could die tomorrow, but nobody cared.
But Osman did care. He took matters into his own hands and went to the internet. He took pictures of the lions, posted them on Facebook, and begged the world to help. And the world went crazy and responded.
Take me back to the jungle.
Millions of people took notice. His post went viral all over the world, and all of a sudden, people in the US, Europe, and Asia wanted to help 11 lions in Sudan.
The whole night I couldn't sleep. My phone was buzzing. So many people got in touch. They wanted to donate and do anything they could to help.
And just like that, Osman raised thousands of dollars online, and with that money, he did wonders. He organized a team of local volunteers. Together, they fed the lions, one by one, kilogram of meat by kilogram of meat. Slowly but surely, the lions got their energy back.
It was a very hard job getting the lions back to health because they were severely malnourished. So they really needed a detailed program of getting them back into health.
And he didn't stop there. Immediately after, he decided to open his own animal shelter for all animals, not just for lions. So he took his own family farm, built fences around it, and turned it into an animal sanctuary for all the wildlife in need in Sudan.
We've been building the sanctuary for 8 to 9 months, and now we're starting to move all the lions to our place.
Here, they can run, they can play, they can enjoy life, and yes, they can eat as much as they want. He is also helping hyenas, monkeys, wildcats, deers, and many, many more animals.
These animals don't have a voice. We need to be their voice for them. We need to take care of them.
People like Osman and everybody else who donated and helped are the reason humanity is beautiful. YouTube! If you like this video, then I think you're gonna love Nas Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. Nas Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the Nas Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And Nas Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.